Let's be real. The world's getting more expensive, and relying on one paycheck isn't cutting it anymore. But instead of stressing, what if you built an income stream around something you actually love doing? Let's talk about how YouTube can open that door. Hi, I'm Lindy, and I help creators over 40 gain the confidence and skills to build a successful YouTube channel by sharing my journey of starting from scratch. Today, we're diving into how your YouTube channel can become more than just a creative outlet. It can be the start of a business, a passion project, or even a new career path. Let's explore the different ways you can turn your channel into a real income stream. The obvious starting point? AdSense. Let's start with the one everyone talks about, AdSense, or YouTube ad revenue. Once you join the YouTube Partner Program, you can earn money from the ads that play on your videos. It's a great foundation, but here's the truth. It takes time. That said, every video you post becomes a little asset that can earn income over time. So if you're playing the long game, which, let's face it, most of us over 40 are pretty good at, this is a nice stream to have in the mix. Memberships and fan funding. Next up, channel memberships, super chat, and super thanks. These are amazing ways for your viewers to support you directly. Memberships allow people to subscribe to your channel monthly for special perks like bonus videos, shoutouts, behind the scenes, or anything you want to offer. Super chats and super stickers show up during live streams, and super thanks let people tip you on regular videos. These aren't just income streams, they're connection points. And for many creators, especially in our age group, the relationships we build matter just as much as the revenue. Affiliate marketing. Now, let's talk about one of the easiest ways to start monetizing, even with a small channel. Affiliate marketing. You recommend products or services you love, you include a link, and if someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's perfect for creators over 40 because chances are you've already got favorite tools, books, or gear that you can talk about. Just be transparent about it. Only promote things you truly believe in, and this can grow into a really solid stream of income. Sponsorships and brand deals. As your channel grows, you might get approached by brands, or you can reach out to them. Sponsorships and brand deals can pay really well, even if you don't have a massive audience. What brands care about most is trust, and if you've built that with your viewers, you're already ahead. If you're someone with a clear message, a distinct voice, and a dedicated audience, don't underestimate your value. Digital products. Now, this is one of my favorite. Digital products. Think ebooks, templates, downloadable guides, checklists, anything you can create once and sell over and over again. It's low overhead, no shipping, and 100% yours. If you have knowledge or experience in something, package it up and make it available. Your YouTube videos build trust and credibility, and your products give people a way to go deeper. Online courses. And then there are online courses. These are perfect if you want to take someone on a full learning journey. YouTube is great for tips and inspiration, but courses are where people pay for the full roadmap. Setting up an online course has never been easier. There are many user-friendly tools that can help you organize your material and present it professionally. And as a bonus, you don't need thousands of views to succeed here. You just need a clear topic and an audience that trusts you. Coaching and consulting. This one's powerful, especially for those of us with years of experience to share. Coaching and consulting turns your YouTube channel into a lead magnet for one-on-one or group sessions. Maybe you're a career coach or a health expert or someone who helps others get organized. Whatever your specialty, your channel is the perfect place to showcase it. Then, invite viewers to work with you directly. Merch and physical products. Another fun one, merchandise. You can use print-on-demand services to create shirts, mugs, tote bags, whatever fits your brand. It's not just about the money, it's about community. When someone wears your merch, they feel like they're a part of your world. And for us creators, that's incredibly rewarding. Fan support on Patreon or Ko-fi. Lastly, if you want more flexibility than what YouTube offers, you can use platforms like Patreon or Ko-fi. These let your biggest fans support you monthly or with one-time donations. You can offer bonus content, live hangouts, early access, whatever makes sense for your audience. It's a beautiful way to build a smaller, dedicated group that truly believes in your message. So there you have it. 9 ways you can start making money with your YouTube channel. And remember, you don't have to do them all at once. Just pick 1 or 2 that feel right and build from there. YouTube is more than just a place to post videos. It's a platform to share your voice, your knowledge, and your gifts with the world. And if you're someone who's been thinking about starting or growing your channel later in life, there's no better time than now. Let me know in the comments which of these monetization ideas you're most excited about. Or if you've already tried one, share your experience. I'd love to hear about it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who might be thinking of turning their creativity into a new income stream. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.